Hello guys, you're welcome back to another beautiful skincare video. Just give this video a thumbs up. If you're just joining the family for the first time, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always tuning in. So please don't stop watching this video. Just make sure you watch this video till the very end. And lastly, please, if you haven't joined the family, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and join this family. This family is gonna be a big and a large one very soon. We're gonna hit millions of subscribers very soon. So I just need your help to do that. So because without your help, I won't be able to achieve this. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please try and hit on that subscribe button and just, keep your likes coming in and your comments. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys that rubbing potato on your skin has a lot of beauty benefits. So let's go right into the video. All right guys, we are going to be using this recipe to prepare this special face mask. And like I said earlier, rubbing potato slices on your skin, it has a lot of beauty benefits. Potatoes are one of the best widely used vegetables that are found in mostly every kitchen around the world. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is vital for maintaining skin health. So applying potato juice directly onto blemishes is going to help you repair your skin. This potato is an anti-aging beauty agent in warding of wrinkle, impact of healthy glowing to your skin. So if you want to use this on your skin, this is how you're going to use it. You need to first of all get a bowl and wash very well. You just wash this because when they are harvesting it is a little bit dirty, so you wash the dirt off before you peel it. So that's how I do it. So you can see it's a little bit clean. So you try and peel the back. So when you're doing it, you have to be very careful so you don't. I'm sorry, I don't know how to peel like this, but I know a lot of people that's how they peel, but this is how I was taught how to peel, this way. But I'll just try the one everyone knows. Let me do it like this. Okay, I think this is the simplest way of actually doing this, removing the back. This is the simplest way to remove this back. This is my first time of trying this. Okay, let me do it like this. I think it's better. So hey you guys, you are watching how I am feeling it. So this is how it is. So in this, if you are doing this, you have to use as much as you want. Like you can use like 2 or 3 potato to prepare this special homemade remedy for blemishes, dark spot, wrinkle face. So you can use as much as you want. When I'm preparing this, I like to use 2. So I think this is the fastest to peel it this way. So there you go. Okay, I'll just have to empty this and then wash it. So here you go. This is the potato. It is ready. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this to maintain your skin health. Let me just wash it. So we'll just take a slice of it. You can slice it whichever way you want to do it. This is the sliced one. And this one we are going to, grate it. But if you have a blender, you can put it inside a blender and blend it so you can get the juice. Okay, that's all. I think that's gonna be enough. We are going to turn this. Okay, let me check. This is the blended one or the grated one. So I'll put it right here. So I add a little water to it because we're going to be using the juice. So I just add a little water to it. Okay. And then I'll mix everything together. Just mix everything together. You can see. Okay, we need enough juice for this. So it's now ready. So I have to strain it so I can get the juice. All right, I think I still have it. Okay, you can see the juice is coming out from the strainer. Can you watch the juice dropping from the strainer? That's the potato juice. It's coming out. Okay. And you leave the chaff. You keep it aside, the chaff. Here is the sliced one. So I'm going to tell you how to use this. If you apply this juice, it's going to help clear your skin because applying potato juice directly to the blemishes you have on your skin is going to help you repair it completely. So if you want to apply this is how you are going to do it, because it's going to help you soften your skin. So you just take a little of it and then apply it on my face. You can use cotton to do this. So daily use of this pack is going to help you a lot on your daily skincare routine. It helps in lightening the skin too. So you can use this. I would advise you use this one as your daily facial cleanser, or you use it to wash your face. You can also use this to get rid of all this dark under eye circle. It is either you place it under your eye and then relax for some minutes, or you rub potato slice onto your skin for 5 minutes, because it's extremely beneficial if you have black spots on your face. So once you're done, you rinse it off with a clean water. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.